you! Yes, you reading the story! I was just waiting for someone brave enough to open this page. Because behind these pages, there are secret doors, magical gardens, and words that sparkle with meaning! Will you come with me on a tiny magical word adventure? Don't worry, I'll be right here with you every step of the story! Hello, wonderful friends! Let's explore this magical story together! Adventure awaits!
In a world of colors bright, story shining in the light, every word we learn today helps our dreams find their way. Come and learn, come and play. New words guide us every day. Write a story, let it grow. There's so much the world can show. Little ideas start so small, then they grow big and tall. With each word we write and say, we create in our own way. Come and learn, come and play. New words guide us every day. Write a story, let it grow. There's so much the world can show. Little ideas start so small, then they grow big and tall. With each word we write and say, we create in our own way. Come and learn, come and play. New words guide us every day. Write a story, let it grow. There's so much the world can show.
Oh, where am I? Hello, is anyone there? Wow, it's beautiful! I'm inside the garden. This is what wonderment can do.
What does wonderment mean?
Wonderment means feeling amazed when you discover something magical and new. Wow, it's beautiful! I'm inside the garden. This is what curiosity can do. Shh, do you hear that? The path is whispering secrets. Look, the word is appearing. It's wonderment! Every time we discover something new, it feels like this.
Is that wonderment?
Yes, it's when your heart feels happy and amazed at the same time. See? A tiny bit of curiosity can lead to big magical wonderment.
Oh, hello there.
Would you like to join my adventure?
Yes, I love adventures.
Adventures are always better with friends.
And full of wonderment, too.
Wonderment feels even more special when shared.
I'm glad I found you.
Did you hear that? Now I'm feeling curious again. Curious means wanting to know, and I really want to know who you are. It's okay, we're your friends. She looks lost. Let's help her feel safe. This feeling, this happiness, that's wonderment. A little curiosity helped us find a friend. Curiosity calls with wonders to write. In this garden bright, our stories take flight.
Wonderment?
It means feeling amazed and happy when something magical happens. Let's spell our magical word together. WONDERMENT. Wonderment! Wonderment is a noun. It's a feeling. A noun is a naming word, and wonderment names a feeling of surprise and joy. Now you know how to spell it and what it means.
And it's a noun.
It's magical.
Now you know what wonderment means. You can use it when something makes you feel amazed and happy. Dance with me, my paper friends, in this garden bright. What a magical day!
And so, the story was written.
Can you spell wonderment with me? Type each letter in the comments. Ready? I'll look for your name. Come join more word adventures with me at Totsy Tales Stories.